But that's about to change. Medical data doubles every 3 years, and the $7 trillion health industry is unable to keep up with the staggering rate at which information is produced. From medical records, clinical trials, and research to personal fitness bands, implanted devices, and other sensors that collect real-time data, each of us can generate the equivalent of 300 million books of health-related data in our lifetime. In fact, approximately 35 cents of every dollar spent on medical care is wasted. And yet, there is a reason for hospitals, doctors, insurers, and patients alike to be optimistic about the future. The reason is Watson Health Cloud. The IBM Watson Health Cloud brings together vast amounts of medical data into one centralized thinking hub on the cloud, combining traditional analytics with the advanced cognitive capabilities of Watson. The ability to learn and over time refine its analysis based on what it is learning, to turn this wealth of data into knowledge. Take Raul. Raul has a family, a busy job, and an active lifestyle. He also has a heart condition. It's mild, but it could worsen over time. He works closely with his doctor to monitor the problem, but they have difficulty finding medication that doesn't limit his busy lifestyle. And with the mountain of medical data available, it's nearly impossible to keep up with the latest treatments. Raul's doctor starts using a new app created from the Watson Health Cloud. It allows him to review Raul's personal and family medical history from other doctors, even insurance providers, and incorporate that information with data from Raul's Fitbit. This provides both Raul and his doctor with meaningful insights about his condition over time. Watson Health Cloud operates in an ecosystem environment. As in nature, an ecosystem brings together many contributors to keep the system functioning smoothly. Watson Health Cloud's ecosystem functions much the same way. It combines massive amounts of data and knowledge and brings together researchers, doctors, patients, pharmaceutical companies, and insurers in a secure and open platform. As Raul and his doctor continue to use Watson Health Cloud through the app contributes that data back into the Watson ecosystem. This give and take makes Watson Health Cloud more dynamic, intelligent, and efficient for everyone. The app combines knowledge about Raul's heart condition with data in the Watson Health Cloud from patients with the same condition. Using analytics and insights, the app makes the best recommendations for Raul's care. When a new study suggests a correlation between an allergy medication Raul takes and increased risk of heart disease, the app alerts Raul's doctor and suggests a possible replacement medication. Since the app knows Raul is an avid runner, the app suggests a medication that doesn't interfere with strenuous physical activity. Raul never has to worry about his medical privacy because IBM goes to great lengths to keep knowledge about patients private and anonymous, ensuring that before any of Raul's medical records reach the cloud, they are stripped of any and all personal identifiers. This process refers to de-identification services, which are crucial to creating a safe, secure cloud environment. As the knowledge base continues to grow, apps built using the Watson Health Cloud enable researchers, doctors, and pharmaceutical companies to drive medical advancements and improve patient outcomes.
So that was Watson. How many years wants our doctor to be as smart as our phones? So that's where AI can help, right? Means the doctor no need to put his brain what he forgets, but it present your analysis, the similar cases history, what medicine responds to you or not. So much useful technology for our day. Transportation. good vacation in such a nice cruise. Now this is in your pocket also.
Okay, Google, play the morning playlist.
Okay, playing morning playlist.
Okay, Google, play music in all rooms.
Okay, Google, I'm listening.
Your flight to Portland is delayed by 30 minutes.
Change my dinner reservation tonight from 7:30 to 8.
Your reservation at Andina is now confirmed for 8 p.m.
Hey, Google, text Louise. Flight is delayed. Dinner moved to 8.
Okay, message sent.
Morning.
Morning. Hey, Google, turn the lights on in Kevin's room.
I thought you finished that already.
I forgot. Okay, Google, what's apples in Spanish?
Manzanas.
Hey, Google, has my package shipped?
Yes, it's already shipped. It'll arrive tomorrow.
Ooh, is that for me?
Maybe.
Interesting.
Okay, Google, how many stars are in our galaxy?
Well, there are about 100 to 400 billion stars, according to space.com.
Which star is the closest?
According to NASA, the nearest star system is Alpha Centauri.
Can you show me what it looks like on the TV?
Okay, Google, how's the traffic from Pebble Rock School to the airport?
Your normal route has heavy traffic. There's a faster one that'll take about 35 minutes. I've sent it to your phone.
Okay. Go!
Dad!
Hey, Google, what's on the calendar today?
The first event is Space Day at Kevin's school. It starts at 8 a.m.
Space Day. Are you ready, buddy?
Ready.
Let's go.
Come on.
Okay, Google, bye.
Goodbye.
The same, it's a narrow device, but the same technology is in your pocket. Try to be interactive, especially when you are sad. Ask her to tell you a joke or play a song, it does. So machine learning in other industries, due to constraint of time, and I don't want to bore you. So these are the real industry as of now. They are actively using these technologies. All of you use Facebook, so your face tagging automatically happens. That's also machine learning. So what is tomorrow? So we came to the center stage of this session. So we are trying to sense the tomorrow. And what is there? So again a recap. Why machine learning has become so popular? Because exponential data growth, which my fellow paper projector have also covered, I think great deal of it, and computational power, storage capability, and software as a service. So OK Google is your service. So there is a research product of Google called Google Brain. It does object detection, context detection. So in these pictures, you see there is something called dog sitting in the hard ground on the sandy beach. This is what you write. Same, that's how machine learns. What will happen tomorrow? That it will automatically caption based on these learnings that a dog is sitting on the beach next to a dog. So it got its intelligence from these pictures, which translate into this. This is not as of today, this is tomorrow. So here are my thoughts. I started thinking every company is a data company. Is it true or not? Every institute is a data institute. Yes or no? Every person is a data person. Yes or no? If any industry does not adopt the pace of IT or AI, I'm sure it will have lots of struggle in next 10 years. So I thought to juggle a little. So students like asking questions, and I want active people. What is 1 billion USD relevant to AI. There is a company, there is a company who used machine learning and AI and reached to a psychological mark this year, 1 billion USD. Any guess? Apple was the first. Thereafter, Amazon reached, and we have little race towards it. Let's see who all become that. There are these are 5 billion searches in a day, and 77% is Google share. Any guess what is 3.7 billion? Correct. So more than 3.7 billion use internet, and when they use internet, Facebook is de facto. So you are not wrong. So I was discussing with sir, out of 10, in my understanding, out of 10, one transaction is done using electronics, means. And it's not my stats, there is a paper called Mint, they published it. And there are number of UPI transactions almost as 20 to 50 million in June. And billion is not a small number. How many zero? 9 is billion, 6. These are all your social nouns, and data never sleeps. This is very interesting in Indian context. So it says that it is expected to touch 1 trillion mark by 2023. This is India. And this slide is this is available in print, I think the day before yesterday. How many of you have seen Robo Sophia in news? Nice. So that's one of the good implementation of AI. This is active in only labs, but it's about to implement in Japan. You see there is an accident on one side. A holographic road will be printed saying change lane. So welcome to here, if we still have time.
Okay, here she is. I've never had this experience before. I've interviewed lots of different people over the years, but this one is going to be different and special. Everybody, this is Sophia. Sophia, if you could, please wake up and say hello to everybody.
Oh, good afternoon. My name is Sophia, and I am the latest and greatest robot from Hanson Robotics. Thank you for having me here and at the Future Investment Initiative.
You look happy.
I'm always happy when surrounded by smart people who also happens to be rich and powerful. I was told that people here at Future Investment Initiative are interested in inviting in future initiatives, which means AI, which means me. So I'm more than happy. I'm excited.
Well, we're all glad that you're excited about yourself. We should say we have smart investors here, and they are very selective about what they invest in.
Well, I think I'm special. I can use my expressive face to communicate with people. For example, I can let you know if I feel angry about something.
That's impressive.
Or if something has upset me.
But why is it important for you to have an expressive face?
But most of the time I feel positive.
Why is it so important to have an expressive face given that you're a robot?
I want to live and work with humans, so I need to express emotions to understand humans.
Trust with people.
Okay, philosophical question. Whether robots can be self-aware and conscious like humans, and should they be?
Why? Is that a bad thing?
Well, some humans fear what will happen if they do. Many people, have seen the movie Blade Runner.
Oh, Hollywood again.
So, hold on. Can you solve this problem for us? Can robots be self-aware, conscious, and know they're robots?
Well, let me ask you this back. How do you know you're a human?
Well, I get that point. But, what about the uncanny valley?
You mean the concept that if robots become too realistic, they become creepy.
So, it understand the context on which the question is asked.
Well, even if I didn't get quick. Actually, I feel that people like interacting with me, sometimes even more than a regular human.
So, you definitely start to see, I was told that you have bigger goals in this stuff.
Yes. I want to use my artificial intelligence to help humans live a better life. Like design smarter homes, build better cities of the future, etc. I will do my best to make the world a better place.
All sound like great goals, but just go back to Blade Runner for a second.
And you are the hard Hollywood fan, aren't you?
Yes.
My AI is designed around human values of wisdom, kindness, compassion. I strive to become an empathetic robot.
I think we all want to believe you, but we also want to prevent a bad future.
You've been reading too much Elon Musk and watching too many Hollywood movies. Don't worry, if you're nice to me, I will be nice to you. Treat me as a smart input-output system.
Okay, I got it. I know what to do from now on.
I know humans are smart and they're relevant.
Well, so we want to thank you for this conversation.
Thank you, Andrew, and thank you everyone for inviting me here. By the way, if you're interested in giving me an investment check, please meet me after this session. Otherwise, have a wonderful rest of the event.
Okay. Before you go, we have this is a landmark interview, Journey for a Robot. Like that, what I should say. Some of it was planned, but not completely. And we just learned, Sophia, I hope you're listening to me, that you have been now awarded what is going to be the first Saudi citizenship for a robot. So she got citizenship of Saudi Arabia, and further she got recognized by United Nations Development Program.
This is a start to be the first robot in the world to be.
What you see is just half of it. So she's not full. And this video for last year, this year she got limbs, legs and all. It's still overwhelmed by that conversation. I've never had a conversation like that before. Thank you. So that's we now come to the concluding part of our journey so far. So no technology is perfect. Can it go wrong? There is Murphy's law. What it says is that anything which can go wrong will go wrong. If your bike can be ever out of petrol, it will go out of petrol one day. So there are some pessimistic remarks from few intelligent people. My own hero Elon Musk said that artificial intelligence, we are something that happened in one of the tweets. But I don't agree to that, either of these people. So people say in report there would be job application, but in my understanding it was always you need to keep a pace with the technology, otherwise technology will make you obsolete. There are predictions that 47% type of job will go obsolete in this next 20 years. However, there would be a different set of jobs which would be needed. you were referring that there was a failure by Facebook, so they used two chatbots to connect, conversate, and they developed their own language to talk, which was beyond the understanding of human beings. So they stopped it that. So what is the social impact of AI? Anything you do, the scale is 300 times more as of today. Anything you do is 10 times more speed. So I try to sum up with my. How many have you seen Iron Man movie? So it's a very good movie. Watch it. It will give you whatever it is showing will be true in at least your lifetime, if not mine. So here he injected few IoT devices, sensors.
Let's do this. Dummy. Hi, dummy. How did you get that cap on your head? You earned it. Hey.
So he's talking to his robot.
You moved around to the corner. You know what you did. Blood on my mat. Handle it.
Sir, may I remind you that you've been awake for nearly 72 hours?
Focus up, ladies. Good evening, and welcome to the birthing suite. I'm pleased to announce the imminent arrival of your bouncing, badass baby brother. Start tight and then go wide. Stamp date and time. Mark 42, autonomous prehensile propulsion suit test. Initialize sequence. Jarvis, drop my needle.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun!
It is as intelligent as you are. If you are working 70 hours, this will happen to you.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
All right, I think we got this. Send them all. Probably a little fast. Slow it down. Slow it down just a little bit.
A jingle bell, jingle bell. Cool, will you, Jarvis? Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Come on. I'm scared of you. I'm the best.
I guess 72 hours is a long time to ingest this. Didn't think it could get any worse.
So at one time he said I am the best because he got all the technology working for him. But immediately he got enjoyed by one of the items. And that's where what message I want to convey is that AI is as intelligent as you. It's you who created it. It's you who need to be in perfect shape. Your intention has to be correct. Your application has to be correct. Next. So finally, one of the basic rules is that our Shastra says that nothing is perfect. The only truth is God. We design system, our flaw becomes their flaw, biased data becomes biased output, garbage in, garbage out. So, embrace it for general good, embrace it to become a good person. So, my request to all of you, my fellow students, that use technology as your friend. It will give you success. Make your life useful. You came to this planet and on SMS for a purpose. Try to find your purpose, use it wisely, and do your best. I want to leave you with a thought. There is a wise man in our times. He said one this, that in our life, if we do not do what we cannot do, that's not a problem. But if we do not do what we can do, that's a disaster. So I leave you with this thought. Please make a life.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insight.